got the cheese, she tasting the Kool-Aid. Nigga on the plug, Guadalupe. She gon' do what the group say Caprende. Caliente, she get the bad, but she gotta get it 10 ways.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be making some birria tacos at home. I'm going to start off with the ingredients that you'll need. So you'll need 3 types of chilies. You'll need some beef cube or cut up beef stew. You'll need some flour tortillas. You'll need some beef broth. You can make your own beef broth or you can use water and season it. And then you'll also need some mozzarella cheese. You can also do shredded mozzarella, fresh mozzarella grated, or sliced. All right, you guys, so I have my meat. I had a pound of chuck roast that I had thawed out, so I'm using what I had from last time. And then I had brought some beef cubes just in case I didn't have enough meat. So they don't have to be cut up really small. As you guys can see, that's a pretty big slice. They're all going to be cooking slowly, so it's all going to break apart anyways. So what you guys want to do next is you want to drizzle some oil and then season lightly with salt and pepper. Then you want to go ahead and add a little bit of oil to your pot. We are going to be pan searing the beef cubes just for about 5 to 6 minutes until it gets a nice color. Get that nice and coated. Oil is now heated, so we want to go ahead and lay the beef cubes seasoned side down. So I went ahead and cut up half an onion. Y'all, it smells so good already. Okay, so now we're gonna open our cans of beef broth. Once again, you don't have to use beef broth. You can make your own beef broth with water, seasoning. So you can start off with 1 can of beef broth and see where that levels out to be. So you want to put enough liquid just to cover the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some water to it. All right, you guys, so this next part is crucial, okay? You want to make sure you have your gloves on during this part because no one warned me to wear gloves or to cut or open the chilies underwater, and my hands, I kid you not, were burning for at least 24 hours. And I say at least because I think it was burning the next day too. So wear some gloves, y'all. So I'm gonna get one. Y'all, I'm not Latino. I don't really know how to pronounce these. Guajillo Chilie. So we're gonna get one of those. We're gonna use adobo. We're gonna use 4 of those. Now, when I first made these, y'all, I was like, oh, these so tiny, they probably not even spicy. I was wrong. Okay, I was wrong. So we're gonna use 4 of those. We're gonna use 1 Ancho Chilie. So now that we got our chiles, we want to cut them open because they have seeds in them that we want to take out. So I'm just using a pair of kitchen scissors. Look at all that. So I just cut it open like that. And once again, you can do this under running water, but I just like to do it here. And then you just want to make sure you get all the seeds out. Now be gentle, y'all. Y'all don't want this to pop up in your eye, because these chiles are nothing to play with, okay? Okay, and then we are now on our last pepper. So during this process, you guys, I'm telling you, these peppers are no joke. You do not want to touch anything, okay? Don't touch your phone. Don't touch your keys. Don't touch your children. Don't touch anything, you guys. I mean, this is like worse than the hottest pepper. I did the hot one chip challenge. Oh my God. This burn right here with these are way worse. Way worse. So all of our peppers are now seedless. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna place the peppers into the boiling water. Let those peppers soften, and then let's clean up this mess, okay? Because we like to cook in a clean kitchen. And if you guys don't know, this is how you would want to take off your gloves. Pinch it from the middle. Okay, slide it off, ball it up. Then from underneath, go like that. All right, I'm telling y'all, this is important. Get those gloves, y'all, and toss it. Now you're good to go. Guys, so the peppers have been boiling for a few minutes. So what you want to do is take some of the beef broth water, put it inside of your blender, or you can just get some water from the sink, or you can open up your second can of beef broth. So now you just want to take the peppers out. They're nice and soft. That's 1, 2, and now we have the red pepper. In this mixture we have some of the beef broth. I'm gonna add a little bit more water because we want it liquefied. So we're gonna put the top on it, and then we're going to now that we have our chile puree, now we can go ahead and add this into our meat. This is where it's gonna get that nice color. Yes, Lord. It's looking so yummy already. And now we go ahead, once again, keep it on, I say low to medium heat for about 3 to 4 hours. Checking on it continuously because you don't want the broth and the water levels to be too low. And you just let this slow cook for 3 hours, and then we will be back in about 2 hours. As you guys can see, the water level is much lower. Now that we only have probably like an hour left, this would be a good time to see if your birria sauce is too spicy for your liking, or if you want to add more spice. If you taste the sauce and you're like, woo, this is too spicy, then you can bring it down by adding some more water or some more beef broth. Alright guys, so this is the fun part. So it's been like an hour, maybe an hour 30 minutes, I don't know. Let's see how that meat doing now. Okay, yeah, now it's literally falling apart. As soon as yep, that's what we want. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna pour some of this sauce into this dish right here. Right here is gonna be all of the birria sauce that you can dip your tacos in, and also you need the sauce for the tortillas. But let's get into this meat real quick. So now you can see the meat, and now we want to shred the meat. You could take 2 forks. And once again, you guys, before you make your tacos, taste your sauce. See if you want it more spicy. See if it's too spicy for your liking. And you can water it down before you make your taco, because once you make your taco, baby, it's too late. It's too late. So all of the meat is pretty much shredded. So we're gonna go ahead and get our tortillas. This is a pack that I already had, because once again, I make these every Tuesday. And remember that bowl we poured the sauce in? You want to take your tortilla and you want to dip it in the sauce. So nothing is in here but the sauce right now. So you want to dip it in the sauce. And you don't have to let it sit too long, because then it's going to get soggy. And lay it right down. So now that you have your tortillas frying, you want to go ahead and add your cheese. So I'm going to show y'all two different ways. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. So you could do shredded cheese, or you can do sliced cheese. I don't know why, but I prefer the sliced cheese. We're going to grab some of that meat. Next, we're just going to go ahead and flip that bad boy. Alright guys, so we have a few. As you guys can see, the sliced cheese provides way more cheese than the strip. So this is a great time where you can add onions, cilantro, flip, flip, flip. Get into it. So easy, y'all. So easy, so affordable, and you can have as many burrito tacos you want at home. So as you see, I just made 6 tacos. Look at all this meat I have left. I could definitely make probably like 6 to 12 more tacos. This is the sauce that I was dipping the tortillas in, and then also you just want to make a little bowl. I just put some onions in there, and this is where you would dip, dip, dip. So I'm gonna make me a plate. This is the final product. You're gonna grab that taco, dip it in that sauce like that. So good, y'all, so good. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, y'all. As y'all can see, I am tearing this food up. So good. Once again, just keep in mind, as far as the spice level, I kind of like my food spicy. So if you don't like it spicy, I'll probably take it down 1 chili. But y'all, it's so good. So good. So good. Bye, y'all.